bass.
MC Monty on the mic, yes I.
Yes, I was sitting in the gaff and I had no fucking clue. Yes, I had to do something to do. I was sitting with Elsie and MC Betty. Bass.
Like you can tell a guy you're on the pill, get pregnant, and then he's got to be a dad. There's no law about that. I love being a woman.
The password is Russian Flame.
What is the server name?
It's a password.
Russian Flame.
What is this password?
Russian Flame.
Which one is it?
Xbox Kinect.
What was the password again?
Russian Flame.
Russian Flame.
This is scuffed. Should we call Tanker?
No, it's fine. He's doing whatever he's doing.
But more people is always better.
Hold on, I'll go scream at him. BRB.
Yes, I am.
Shalom. Oh, you have fans.
At least they have a fan.
Here as well.
The Dutch have arrived.
Do you have weed with you?
Jew pack.
There's Jew pack, sci-fi pack, vote for Hillary pack, vote for Trump pack, post-Trump pack. Do you know how many Jews there is in Poland?
How many?
None. I reminded myself of a funny meme when I picked the card.
Yeah, that's.
Will you be showing your... I hope you've been showing your pussy tonight, baby, because I will be wanking my cock when you get fucking naked.
Why is that so funny to me? Fucking British people. I hate them.
What's that sound?
Shut up, bumps.
Wait, hold on. We need to remember who it is. It's Tankers. Remember, guys.
Let's go back to 1900s. What was funny in 1900s?
The past. The past is very funny, guys.
Does anyone have country balls as their answer?
Just put a Finnish country ball and you win.
Just an image.
The past is terrifying.
Yeah, but...
The past is very scary, not gonna lie.
I think it's one.
You're actually a slag.
If Flame was in charge, he would have chosen
What makes
mine.
life worth living? Covering myself with pyramid, cheese and chili flakes because I am pizza. Fragile masculinity. The KKK. The KKK sounds very appealing.
I am pizza.
I am pizza is funny.
And the BIFTA for how far can I get my own penis on my butt goes to cat. How bad, how the fuck that dancing scholar with no quality.
That's not even funny. Shut up, man. It's not even funny.
The natural selection. No, that's not.
Why?
No.
What?
I wasted such good cards.
Yeah, it's funny because it's true.
Yeah.
My
I can
card
actually
fits perfect.
answer this question with my card, and it's gonna be historically correct.
Tanker is speaking, you should do it.
Good, I won.
Mine's
Military
Mine
historians
is
remember
weird.
Alexander the Great for his brilliant use of...
A sober Irishman who doesn't care for potatoes.
10,000 Syrian refugees.
Battlefield applications. Pikes.
But pikes is
Also great
accurate,
for the
Tanker.
brilliant use of...
He used pikes, stabbed them repeatedly
It's
with
not pike.
pikes.
It's not pike though.
He used your grandma.
He did use pikes, but longer ones.
Yeah, man, that's not pike. That's this. Look at the link. It's an inbred Irish gypsy. What you sent.
Wait, do you not know that?
No.
They literally call
like the
people
weapon.
pikes in the UK.
I thought that's like the weapon.
No! Andre's having a breakdown right now. Help him, guys.
Nice.
It's so fucking hot in here.
What the fuck?
I
I thought there was only one British guy here. It's so fucking hot. Like, don't do that. Okay,
Why
don't.
not?
No, don't do that, Tanker.
Big spices.
Thanks for getting fingered, Mum. Thanks for the placenta, Mum. Thanks for the miracle of childbirth, Mum.
Cheeky bomb sex.
It's so fucking British.
Cheeky bum sex. You want to go to Nando's after that?
It's cheeky bum sex.
His stutter.
The person reading this one should do it in the most British voice possible.
Trump's great. Trump's got my balls on your face. I love that.
That's me.
I know which one.
Trump's great. Trump's got my mate Dave. I love that.
my mate Dave, not Wink.
My mate Dave was perfect. I feel insulted now. Dave feels insulted now.
This is a message from Dave.
Why am I sticky? A sad hand job, wandering the desert for 40 years, white privilege, sperm wet. I don't know.
Wales.
White privilege.
Congratulations.
Ooh.
So guys, would you like to start a night of ride with ethnic cleansing? Would you like to start a night of ride with chopping off a bit of the penis? Would you like to start a night of ride with 50,000 volts straight to the nipples? Or would you like to start a night of ride with the Black Death? I really like ethnic cleansing.
Why?
I have such shit cards. I'm just gonna pick something that doesn't make any sense.
Hey guys, I know this is my idea, but I'm having seriously doubts about pangender octopus noodles that comes It's doubts about the divorcing that has like that one's better.
Fuck's sake.
You didn't even read the rest.
Because the last one relates too much.
Ooh.
I'm just kidding. Dear Agni Aunt, I'm having some trouble with hobos and would like your advice. My genitals, shitting out a perfect combination dying. Men. They're all good. They're all good. They're all really nice. Like
good.
You have violated the prime
directive. You exposed an alien culture too before they were ready.
Jesus Christ, the second one.
Daniel. Oh my.
I don't even know who that is, to be honest.
That's the actor from Harry Potter.
Oh.
I'm not even gonna read them.
I'm victorious.
And you didn't even know who he was. Fuck you, Newman.
Yeah, what inspired this person to make music?
I think I know.
I think I figured it out.
Did someone say the Russians?
What inspired me to make music in the first place? Burying my host.
The fucking...
The parts of Annie Frank's dying that she talks about her vagina.
What the fuck is that sound?
Who is beating their meat?
What? Oh, I'm just stomping on the floor. Never mind, guys. Don't worry.
Oh, like I'm gonna swell.
I will pull many bats out of girls. What the fuck? I will put penis breath out of spaghetti again. This one.
Oh!
This one.
No, the fucking cat cancer is gonna win.
Mate, do not go in that bathroom. There's the bloody witch in there.
I knew he'd laugh.
There's a beep beep.
He's gonna laugh at the third one.
Beep
He's gonna laugh at the third one.
The Hungry Game.
That guy from the Hungry Games. Not even hunger, just hungry. What are the Hungry Games?
Fuck, I can't.
The bloody Welsh.
Beep beep boop beep boop.
Shut the fuck up.
Great name. Yeah.
Airport security guidelines now prohibit selling crack to children on airplanes, growing up and becoming a Republican, being fat and stupid, a crucifixion.
What?
The crucifixion is better.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Madam President, the asteroid is headed directly for the Earth. And there's no one thing that can stop it. And there's one thing that can stop it. Cosmic bowling. Incest. The resurrection of an army of 6 million Jews and conquering Germany. The bombing of Nagasaki.
I think we're going to bomb the Japanese. There's only that.
Incest is like right up my alley. So I'm gonna pick.
No.
I'm picking incest. Sorry,
No,
Pick Nagasaki.
You need...
Good.
You should have picked 6 million Jews. What the fuck?
I had nothing.
Do not go here. Found the North in my Kung Pao chicken. Found President Donald Trump in my Kung Pao chicken. Found a homo.
Why would that be 1 out of 5 stars though? That's like a 5 out of 5 right there.
Yeah, I know, right? My Kung Pao chicken. A homo.
So technically, you should pick the words.
Who the fuck picked agriculture? That's the least funny shit I've ever seen.
I didn't have anything else. Would you rather have penis envy?
I picked the
Penis
homoerotic.
envy, yes!
I picked the homoerotic volleyball
I wish I had
montage.
that.
But that's a 5 out of 5, Nemo. Why the fuck would it be a 1 out of 5?
Yeah, exactly.
Guys, what's the number for watermelon?
Why is Nemo exist? Nemo, why are you alive?
Home or mobile?
A. A.
What's the number for
Exact-
watermelon?
Kill yourself, please. Like,
You're worse than Titanic. Worse
can we
than
like ban
Hitler.
him?
No,
So this is the first time I'm begging to ban somebody.